Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the QAWACHH Security Fingerprint Reader. This is the box that it comes in. There's no information on this box, so we're just going to open this and show you what's inside. But I just want to say what is inside is basically a fingerprint biometric reader. There you go. These are the contents of the box, and this is your fingerprint reader. Attached here. It's attached right now. All right. Pretty simple. So let's quickly take a look what's here. We have this note. This is basically manufacturer information, and you also have a user manual. This has a lot of specifications mentioned. It has a memory of 10 fingerprints. It's basically a biometric technology. A saving time of 0.5 seconds, less than 0.5 seconds. Matching time of less than 1 second, and it can only have one administrator. And everything that you want to know is listed here. You will need to download an app for this particular device. What's the name of the app? I will tell you. Just give me a second. Yes, so you have to download the app called. Oh, the app is not mentioned here. But this is the QR code that you use to download this app. Let me just scan it and see what this particular app is called. Okay, so the app is called Smart Life. So you have to download this app in order to pair it with this particular device. What other components we have here? This is a micro USB charging cable for this particular fingerprint reader. There you go. There you go. This is a micro USB charger, and this is the fingerprint reader in question. It comes with this matte black finish, and it also has this locking property. It's a lock, basically a fingerprint reading lock. So the idea is that you program this with as many fingerprints, in our case 10 fingerprints at a time, and when you want to unlock this device, all you have to do is feed your fingerprint to it. Touch this area, there's a fingerprint sensor right over here. Touch this area and it unlocks just like that. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the QAWACHH Security Fingerprint Reader. Thank you for watching.